welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine. Now friends, in this video once again I'm trying NFT art finance token friends. What's the current price of the NFT art finance? What's the prices occur in the NFT art finance? And especially in this video I'm telling about the latest update, the latest news about NFT art finance. So keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you're new on our channel, so please subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways my friends, let's start the video friends and let's move on. The current price of the NFT art finance is 0.000001 USD dollar is the current price of the NFT art finance. On the other side, if you look the price change occur in the NFT art, so absolutely the pricing is now still negative, neutral. 0% change occur, not goes up, not goes down friends. NFT art it is 10 friends. Anyways, if you look the price chart of the any NFT art finance, what's going is 10 friends. But first check the price statistic of the NFT art. The price going is still 0. And if you look the fully diluted market cap is 5.14% going upward friends. So I hope that the price will also going upward friends. Now let's see, as you can see here, as I told you that the price will go upward. So now the currently price is 0.48% goes upward friends, because the fully diluted market cap is positive, so the price will become positive friends. Anyways, I know this time the price has very barely fast down from the previous last 2 weeks, but now I think they have again idea to jump and they are again ready to explore the price of the NFT art finance. And as I told you that the market cap is going upwards, so that's mean that the people want to invest in NFT art finance. And when the people want to invest in NFT art, so I hope that the price will again positive friends, and they take same like this jump again friends. As you can see here, you like this jump, look this jump, same like this jump occur in the NFT art finance in the future friends. So I personally recommend for all of my viewers to invest in an NFT art finance. As you can see here, the price is going upward 0.32%. now the price is going upward very fastly. So that is why I suggest for all of my viewers that please go invest in an NFT art finance. As you can see here, now this time the price is directly quick fast occur in NFT art finance. So that's not mean that now this time the quick fast occur in NFT art finance, so you decide to sell. No, you have to hold. Very soon after a few minutes the prices become again positive, same like that. This is the process of the cryptocurrencies market, that take falls down for a little time, take a jump for a little time. So don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell. It's time to hold, because on the basis of technical analysis the big jump of the NFT art finance are coming soon. Wait for it. How do you feel about NFT art finance today? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video.